What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all guys are having an amazing day. Today I'll be showing you guys how to order food from Swiggy app. It is available on Play Store. So first of all, if you don't have Swiggy app on your phone and you want to order a food, believe me guys, Swiggy is the best app to order food and other snacks items too. So let's Swiggy. So as you can see, second on Swiggy food order and delivery. So let's open and quickly install it. And as you can see, I have already installed it. So let me open. So when you open it for the first time, it asks your mobile number and a verification code will be sent to that mobile number, and you need to enter that OTP and you will be logged in to the Swiggy app. And as you can see, many restaurants, and you can order food from any restaurant you want. And as you can see, many restaurant, and after writing typing your phone number, it will ask for delivery location. So you better type your delivery location so that it deliver to your address and right address. So as you can see, many restaurants in front of me. So let me select any one restaurant. As you can see, the new Pizza Land. So in this app you can find many discount offer going on. As you can see at the top, 15% off on all order and extra 5% off on all orders for supers. So as you can see, the main and the most important feature of this app is it shows the food with its picture. As you can see over here, pizza, burger, chicken roll, etc. So you can see the food item and how it looks when you get it to your home. This is the main advantage. And other apps like other food apps like Zomato and other apps, they don't provide this kind of facilities. So this is the main advantage of Swiggy app. So as you can see, more photos of all the dishes you want and many other dishes and combo will also be available in this app. So which one you want? So let me order. For now, let me order chicken tikka pizza, add it to cart. It's just like purchasing a product from Amazon or Flipkart, but it is Swiggy. So go to cart, view cart, click on view cart, and as you can see over here, so as you can see, it gives offer discount minus 18 rupees and 7 rupees restaurant package and delivery charge. So you better don't give any tips to the delivery boys because they already getting paid by, as you can see over here, delivery charge rupees 10. So you better don't pay any tip. If you want, you can pay, but they're already getting paid and you're paying them extra. And if you want, you can pay them, and but for me, I don't pay them because they are already getting it from us, right? So as you can see, this is the total billing of 119. So after this, it asks us to select a address or add address. So I'll select my address because I have already entered. So select any one and proceed to pay. And in payment option, you get many like Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Freecharge, and Mobile Week. And you can pay through your debit card, credit card, net banking also, or you can pay you when you get the food in your hand. That means cash on delivery. So in this case, I go for cash on delivery, and when you press pay with cash, your order will be booked. And as you can see, 58 minutes delivery time. So within 58-minute delivery time, you will receive your order on your doorstep, and you can eat your order as much as you want. So if you like this video, give a nice fat thumbs up and press the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and comment down below your thoughts. And that's it for today. It me DJ Virtual signing off for now. As always, yellow yellow, bye, peace. So we'll meet soon with a new exciting video. Bye bye.